Welcome to a 5-minute briefing on security frameworks, what each standard is for, how countries and industries combine them, real company examples, and the certifications involved. The mental model. Frameworks fall into 6 families. Governance sets direction. Control catalogs list safeguards. Risk models guide decisions. Laws are mandatory. Attestation frameworks produce customer proof. Mitre and CK describes attacker behavior. 3 questions sort any standard. Is it a goal or a method? Is it voluntary, customer driven, or law? And can you be certified? ISO and PCI, yes. NIST SF and CIS are self-assessed only. NIST CSF 2.0 is the governance layer. 6 functions including the new govern function organizing 106 outcomes. A shared language for boards and engineers, but not certifiable, and it needs a control set beneath it. ISO 27001 is the certifiable management system and global certificate of trust. Clauses 4 to 10 run a continual plan, do, check, act loop. Annex A offers 93 controls selected by risk. Hyperscalers and Indian IT majors all hold it. For concrete controls, CIS version 8.1 gives 18 prioritized controls. Implementation Group 1 is the essential minimum for everyone. NIST 853 is the exhaustive federal catalog tailored by impact baseline. Start fast with CIS, go deep with 800-53. The mandatory tier. PCI DSS protects card data. Reduce scope through tokenization. GDPR is EU privacy law. Fines up to 4% of global turnover. HIPAA protects US health data through administrative, physical, and technical safeguards. For customer proof, SOC 2 dominates SaaS procurement, and Type 2, covering months of operation, is the report buyer's value. High Trust harmonizes ISO, NIST, PCI, and HIPAA into one certifiable assessment. Assess once, report many. 2 final lenses. MITRE ATT and CK catalogs real adversary techniques. Map your detections to it and blind spots appear. Zero Trust removes network-based trust. Every request verified. Least privilege continuously. Google's Beyond Corp pioneered it. Globally, ISO, SOC 2, PCI, NIST, and ATT&CK travel everywhere. Countries add layers. India's DPDP Act and CERT-In's 6-hour reporting. The EU's NIS2, UK Cyber Essentials, US FedRAMP and CMMC, and national schemes across Asia Pacific, nearly all built on ISO or NIST. Industries layer stacks. SaaS, CIS, then SOC 2, then ISO. Banking, ISO plus PCI plus regulator rules. Healthcare, HIPAA as the floor, High Trust as proof. Government, NISTRIMF into FedRAMP or CMMC. The pattern, law first, customer certificate, then control set. Real examples. AWS holds over 140 certifications customers inherit. Stripe keeps PCI level 1 so merchants never touch card data. Slack and Zoom lead with SOC 2. Google pioneered Zero Trust. Defense needs CMMC. Automotive needs TISAX. 2 kinds of certification. Organizations earn the ISO certificate, SOC 2 report, PCI attestation, FedRAMP or CMMC. Professionals earn CISSP, the broad gold standard, then CISM, CCSP or ISO lead auditor depending on their path. One idea to remember: build once, comply many. The same MFA control satisfies SOC 2, ISO, PCI, and NIST simultaneously. Implement the fundamentals well, map them everywhere, and compliance becomes presentation, not re engineering. Thanks for watching.